What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today with the aluminum girls bicycle. No, just kidding. No, I wanted to do a video on this 2011 Volvo C30 that we've had since, gosh, springtime. I think I did a video on it when we first got it. And the video quality was just extra terrible because I had a broken phone at the time. So I'm going to do another video where the video quality is just terrible, not extra terrible. Yeah, we bought this at auction, and man, this was a neat car. What's so cool about it is for a C30, it is very hard loaded. It's first of all, it's an R line, C30 R line, and with it being a 2011, it's got the redesigned nose. It has the optional sunroof. Of course, it's got the cool little R line spoiler, but it has something we had never seen on a Volvo like this before. It has keyless, where you just walk up, open it, and it unlocks. It's got the R-line leather seats, which are in great shape. It has the window sticker on this car was insane. It's got projector beam headlights, which was an unusual option. What else did it have? It's got a couple of features that you just don't see on a C30. Upgraded stereo, and since it has keyless entry, there's just this little nubbin here on the dash. You just twist, turn, and there she goes. Fires right up. Little T5 hauls butt. It's got 118,000 miles. Had about 116 on it when we bought it. Timing belt was done at 113. It's got all the service history on the Carfax, and this car's been amazingly serviced. Got the really cool R-Line sport steering wheel. So yeah, it's really loaded. It's got a lot of options for a C30. A little hard to find. We cannot sell this thing to save our lives. We've got it marked down right now for, gosh, less money than we've got in it. I thought it was going to be a moneymaker. But we did have to do a little work to it. We had to put a couple of CV axles on the front. And what else did we have to do? We had to do another small repair. Got it all ready to go. And then the stupid star here in the windshield decided to crack. And a windshield for this car is very expensive. I want to say it was like $700 or $800. So now we're like, sell it like it is because we've put too much money in it. So for right now, we're looking for $5,000, which is a bargain for one of these, especially an R-Line with only 118,000 miles. And the timing belt service has just been done. I mean, this thing's quick. It's a hoot to drive. New CV joints, strong turbo. All the options it has on it. I mean, it's just a damn blast. And but we just can't seem to get any interest. And we know there's a pretty big cult following of people out here on these things, but we just haven't been able to find the right one. This car, we've probably gotten more messages on than any car we have ever had for sale since we've been in business. And I think maybe out of the hundreds of messages, we think we think we've had 3 people show up and actually look at it, and they either heard a squeak or heard a rattle or didn't like, just something, some silly excuse, thought we were asking too much money, even though a well-sorted one of these on Bring a Trailer or Cars and Bids, they bring $10,000-$12,000. This is a loaded R line. Now, I know it's let's see, 5-speed automatic. Most people want the manual. But, this is just a hard-to-find car, period. I just don't understand. But anyway, we're driving, we're riding, we're going to check her out. She's a damn hoot to drive. Close the sunroof cover because you get wind noise. There we go. Yeah, I'm running about 70 and a 55. I'm scooting along pretty good. Radio doesn't have Bluetooth though, which kind of sucks. Even though it's an upgraded unit. Now, of course, it has aux hookup. And it's got the heated seats and automatic climate control. All that's nice. But yeah, no Bluetooth capability kind of sucks, even on a 2011. Volvo's always kind of been behind on that sort of thing. But this car's a joy to drive. And I actually, for me being a 6'2" tall guy, I've got room in this thing. Brakes are strong. Just a fun little car to scoot around in. And it's quick. There was 60, boom, like that. Very quick. Got a strong turbocharged engine. If anybody's interested in something like this, man, please let me know. It's clean. It's got fairly new tires. I think it's fairly serviced. The only thing is the windshield. We're going to sell it like it is with the windshield. You can, it's not in your face. It's way over there. You're clear. It's going to make its way across probably the bottom half of the windshield. But if you've been looking for a nice sorted C30 with good maintenance, good repair, had the timing belt done, had the CVs done, like I said, new tires, and got the keyless go with the high intensity headlights, man, just somebody reach out to me on here. We need to get rid of this thing. And it's ready to go. No check engine lights, no warning lights. It's never had any. It's been like this since the day we bought it. So it's ready to pass emissions. I can even go get run down. We don't do emissions here, but I can run the next county over and go get a clean emissions if somebody wants one. Hit me up in the comments or email me at joe.golden@gmail.com and just let me know if you might be interested in this. shoot, we'll make a deal. We'll put something together. You know, if we could just get close to the 5-ish range, which I think is very fair considering what these are selling for. And you keep in mind the service work and the mileage and the fact that this is an R line with basically all the options. I can't think of one it's missing unless they offered that archaic Volvo navigation that would come up out of the dash back then. I don't know, back in 2011, but yeah, y'all just email me or hit me up, because man, I gotta get this damn thing sold. This is ridiculous. I kind of thought I wanted to keep it for a while, but I can't have something this small. I've got to have 4 doors, you know, car, SUV or something. Prefer cars, of course, but this little 2-door hatchback, I mean, that just, it just doesn't work for me. But it's so good looking. And girls think it's cute. I know my brother's daughter has been driving it for just a little while right now, because her GX 470's in the shop, getting some work done to it. So she's been driving this and she loves it. She loves the size and how peppy it is. And I think her little girlfriends at private school think it's cute and kind of chic or whatever, because I mean, you just don't see these damn things. So yeah, Volvo 2011 Volvo C30. I'll just kind of park it right here, do one more quick walk around. Yeah, this car is fun to drive. Clean, I mean, it's got clean door panels, no wear and tear on the seats. What's that? Oh, that's a piece of, yeah, I mean, it's just really in good shape. Headliner. Of course, it's got the sunroof. It's dirty. It needs a bath. You know what? This does not have the HIDs, I don't think. Yeah, it does. They're just not very HID. It does not like that I have the key. Got the chrome caps on the mirror. Needs a bath. We need to wash it. Rear wiper works. It just stays in the little lamp there, like some things I know. But yeah, fun car. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming with a key. I'm coming with a key. Okay, so never leave the car running and leave with the key. Ooh, that makes it very angry. Let's see. I'm gonna open the hood. Let's look under the hood, but where's... Come on, Volvo. Are y'all changing your hood opening locations? Oh, this is ridiculous. Volvo hood releases have always been in the same freaking place. Oh my word, that was buried up in there. Got good tires, nearly new. Like I said, she could use a little bath. 5-cylinder just where it runs perfect. Doesn't use any oil, doesn't smoke, no bad gaskets or seals. 115. So 3,000 miles ago. Back last, in 2023. It's had coolant flush. Like I said, service records on the Carfax on this thing are really good. So, like I said, just email me. Let's talk. Joe.golden@hotmail. No, not at hotmail, at gmail.com. Anyway, y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next time. Peace.